Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix iCloud mail not receiving emails. Before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply gonna go ahead first, check on the basic issues that can cause the problem. First reason could be your internet access. It might not look a big deal, but your email won't be coming through if your internet access is not good. For example, if your sender has sent you the email itself, but if your internet is not good for it to show you the notification, then you will not be receiving the emails, as well as not the notification as well that you have got an email either. That will cause the problem itself as well. And the next thing is checking your iCloud storage. If there is not enough storage, then that could also cause the issue. You're gonna go to your iCloud mail. You will be able to check out whether your iCloud mail has been enabled or not. On your settings, you will be able to see if iCloud mail is not enabled, then can be the issue as well for you to not be receiving the mail. So go ahead, enable that. And next thing is checking the software update of your phone as well. Go ahead, check it out, update it to the latest version of iOS. That will also solve your issue. And the next option is checking the iCloud mail system status on Apple support website for further info, because if there are some issue reported in iCloud mail, you will get the information over there. So those are the things to look out for, and that is basically it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.